Hi, I'm Jana Marie. I'm the author of the upcoming book, Catalyst for Clarity, Identifying Your Crystal Clear Convictions. I am just out of the speaker communication workshop with Raymond Aaron. And today, what I loved most about the workshop was learning active listening. It was so fun and so easy and a whole new idea. So when I am talking to you and all of a sudden you have a thought, oh, ooh, 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 you say to me, and I have a choice. I can either let you interrupt me, or I can talk over you, or I can do what Raymond Aaron taught me today, which is just stop talking and ask you to share your thought with me. It's very clear once you're thinking in your mind, I have to remember to tell her when she gets done. You're not really going to be focused on what I'm saying anymore or doing active listening. So I have learned a whole new technique, which is going to enhance my professional and personal relationships. Wow, I am so excited about this. I want to share it with other people. And I want to thank you, Raymond, for your incredible wisdom and your communication skills. And I want to say one more thing. Raymond is amazing.